Hello, my name's Hader. I'm instructor at Counterbalance Forklift Training. Today I'm going to be safely demonstrating how to approach and pick up a load from ground level. So firstly, we're going to follow off the correct moving off procedure, which is gear, observation and handbrake. So I'm going to slowly approach the load that is at ground level, keeping my speed nice and slow so that the truck is in my control. As I'm approaching the load, I want to stop 6 inches away from the pallet to discourage anyone from walking in front of the forks. Applying my handbrake and neutral. Now what I'm going to do is make my forks nice and straight, so I'm going to be taking my tilt off. I'm going to raise my forks up so that I have a clean entry into the load. Following the same procedure again, gear, observation and handbrake. Slowly going into the load, making sure I have a nice clean entry. Making sure that the load goes right to the back of the heel so it's nice and secure. Letting the load kiss the back of the heel. As it kisses, I will then apply my handbrake and neutral. I will now raise the load up off the ground and put sufficient amount of tilt to cater for the load and ground conditions. Once I've done that, I'm just going to reverse back to my start point. So gear, observation, releasing the handbrake, turning myself in the seat and looking in the direction of travel. Keeping the truck nice and straight and keeping my speed nice and slow. Once approaching my start point, I will then apply my handbrake and neutral. Thank you.